What's the meaning of civvies? Civvies. Civvies.
Civvies. Civvies. Civvies is a slang term for civilian clothing. It refers to attire that is non-military or non-uniformed. The term is commonly used in the armed forces where soldiers refer to their civilian clothes as civvies. Wearing civvies allows individuals to blend in with the general population and avoid standing out as a member of the military or law enforcement. The term civvies is also used in other contexts, such as to describe the dress code for a casual work environment, or to distinguish between work attire and personal clothing.